Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to install putty in Windows 10. Just we have to go to this putty.org URL. Just putty.org. Just here you can click here to download MSI file. Here it will show 32-bit or 64-bit. Mine is 64-bit, friends. That's why I'm downloading 64-bit. It will download a file, friends. Just click here. Next, just by default I'm leaving this thing. If you want, you can change this thing, friends, and just install. Just click as, finish. Just close this, friends. Now you can down in the search bar, just click putty. Like this, if description shows, the putty is successfully installed. Thanks for watching my video, friends. Please subscribe and like for more videos.